What's up, YouTube? I wanted to get this on camera. This is Chacha. Say hi. That's her saying hi through me. She's a bully to her sister. She's nice when she wants to be. Yes, you are. She just recently started like giving me a five or shaking hands. I think it's just to get a free rub out of it. But watch this. Cha-cha. Give me paw. Isn't that the cutest thing? Give me five. Cha-cha, give me five. Oh my gosh. She just recently started doing that. She wasn't doing that before. She's such a sweetheart. When she wants to be. When you want to be. I don't have any. She's looking for another ice pop. Like I'm stashing it under my arm or in my boobs. She was sniffing my boobs 5 minutes ago for ice pop. Cha-cha. I love you too. She's so sweet. She's mean, but to other people. Until she gets to know you. Like if you're someone who comes around regular. You piggy! Oh my god! If you're someone who comes around on the regular, she'll get used to you. But she is very, very mean. Yeah, they're looking at you. We have to keep her and her sister separated because she's such a bully to her sister. They're the same age, but Chacha is such a bully. She's always been a bully to Angel. Angel's always been the quiet one. Even when they were puppies. Like, I don't know. She's always been like that. But this is just too dang cute. You need some water, Pumpkin. You just want to get your belly whooped. Spoiled brat. Chacha. Chacha. That's her way of telling you who told you to stop rubbing me. I told you she's a bully. Are you a bully? She's a bully. Like, she thinks she's just supposed to be rubbed 24/7. Like, what the heck, dude? What if I had plans, Cha-Cha? Thank you for shaking hands. You are a mess. You know that? You are a mess. You are a mess, ma'am. But I love you. Tell YouTube bye-bye. Yeah, look at the camera. Cha-Cha, look at the camera and tell YouTube bye. She doesn't care. Until next time, YouTube. Deuces. You tell them bye-bye? Give YouTube a high five. Cha-Cha, give YouTube a high five. Or shake their hand. From Cha-Cha to you. Deuces.